Hi guys, welcome back for another practice. My name is Lee. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm really excited about today's practice. We're going to be working on some yoga abs, working on engaging that core, moving slowly through some transitions with a few breaks in between, and most importantly, keeping that alignment right. We're going to get started right away holding our plank. Sorry guys, we only have a few minutes. Let's burn up that core. Find your way into a tabletop onto the hands and knees. And then when you're ready, start to extend your legs back. Awesome. Keep that tailbone tucked in, shoulder blades pressed away from one another. We're holding here for 1 minute. If you prefer to take a forearm plank, find your way there. And most importantly, to keep breathing through these workouts. Keep the core engaged. Keep those legs and arms activated. Just a few more seconds to go. If you need to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, exhale forcefully, do whatever you gotta do. Stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift those hips up and back, downward facing dog. Our savior here, down dog. Find movement through the legs. Bend those knees one at a time. Press evenly into all the digits of the fingertips, into the knuckles, into the heels of your palms. And we're gonna take a 3-legged dog into a mountain climber. And let's take about 12 on each side. So let's lift that right leg high. Behind you, press into the hands. Exhale, knee to nose. Take that mountain climber. Inhale, lift back. Exhale, knee to nose. Beautiful. 10 more. We have 9. 8. 7. 6. Squeeze the core when that knee comes up. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Last one here. Knee to nose. Beautiful. Step it back. Downward dog. Let's give those wrists a little break before we go onto the other side. Gently bend your knees down, taking a child's pose. Toes point back. And let's relax the hands back by the heels. Forehead to the ground. Checking in with your breath. Checking in with how you're doing, with your heartbeat, with your body. All right, world's shortest break. Let's go. Bring the hands back, hips up high. Lift those hips, downward facing dog. Find your alignment for a moment. On to the other side. Left leg high, 3-legged dog. Exhale. Knee to nose, bring it forward. Inhale, 3-legged. Exhale, knee to nose. That's 2. 10 more. Rise up. Crunch it in. 7 more. You got this. We have 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knee to nose. Step it back. Downward facing dog. Last break here. Knees down. Take the variation of your child's pose that you prefer. Either hands forward or hands back by your heels. Find a steady breath. Awesome. And then let's just start to rise up, sitting back on the heels, coming upright. Are you guys feeling that? My face is completely red. All right, let's make our way into a seated position. So coming onto the glutes, we're gonna come into a high and low boat, and we're gonna take 15 of those. I know that's a high number, but I promise you can do it. So I'm personally gonna stay with my knees bent in my high boat, but it's up to you if you wanna extend them or not. So I'm gonna look like so. My arms are parallel to one another, palms facing towards each other, and my knees are bent. If you wanna take a more challenging variation, you can start to extend your legs up. So I'm staying here, knees bent. We're starting in that high boat, deep inhale. Exhale, low boat. Straighten out your legs. Keep your shoulders off of the ground, kind of in a hollow back, feet off the ground. Inhale, high boat. Exhale, low boat. Inhale, rise. Exhale, lower. That's 3. Inhale, rise. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. We have 10 more to go. You got this. We have 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. More than halfway there. 5. 4. 3. 2, excuse my heavy breathing, and 1. Low boat, hold it here at the bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Collapse down. Woo! Good job, yogis. Knees to the chest, wrap your arms around, give yourself a big hug. All right, second to last workout here. We're gonna take some eagle crunches. So bend that right knee over your left knee. If this is all you can do, it's fine. Stay here. If you do have your eagle wrap that right leg completely behind the left so your foot is connected by your calf, just like you would in a standing eagle. Arms either grab opposite elbows or take your eagle wrap, right arm wraps underneath the left, and we will take 15 on each side. So tap the toes down, inhale, exhale, crunch up. Try to connect those elbows towards the knees for 1, 2, shoulders off the ground, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. Five more. Let's go. Last one. Hold it at the top. all the way down. Good job. Unwrap your legs, unwrap your arms, hug those knees in. Big inhale through the nose. Big exhale through the mouth. One more, just like that. All right, ready for the opposite side? Let's set those feet down. Left leg is crossing over the right this time. Stay right here or take your eagle wrap. Left arm is coming underneath the right this time. Awesome. Toes towards the ground, 15 on this side. Big inhale. Exhale, crunch up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost done, guys. 10 more. Take your time. 5 more. Hold at the top. Squeeze your crunches. Squeeze your core. And relax down. Woo. Unwrap those legs. Hug those knees in. Awesome. Open the eyes. If you fell asleep or want to fall asleep just like me, let's cross those ankles and roll up to a seated position. Last yoga ab workout here. We're going to come into a forearm plank and do some movement with the legs. So just like we did in the beginning, if you rather hold a regular plank and add the movement in the legs, you can do that, or you can take forearm plank for a little extra challenge. So whatever you choose, find your way there. I'm going to be taking a forearm plank. Let's come into it, extend the legs back. And we're going to bring the right knee up towards the right tricep. Extend that back, the left knee towards the left tricep. Let's go. Go right, left, right, and left, and just keep coming in and out of that until I tell you. Keep your body low. Make sure your booty isn't up in the sky. Stay grounded. All right, we got 10 more to go. Three, 2, 1. Woo! Knees down. Press those hips back. Child's pose. Start slowing down your breath. Coming back to your regular heartbeat. Let's walk those hands back towards the hips, slowly rolling up to your seated position. Good job, Yogi. I know those were really challenging. I'm still out of breath. My core is on fire. You have the option of doing these just for one round like we just did, or maybe adding another round, maybe 3 rounds if you really want to get in that burn. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your night or day wherever you're at. Namaste.